A long time no seen from me making a video. Today, we'll be drawing countries from Africa from memory. So, over here, we got the usual start. We have the wheel of countries, 54 out of 54. We also got, wait, we send it to Google Images so we can see what the country border looks like. We also got the paint up ready. We'll also, if we do have time after, if we like drew the country, if we draw the African border quickly, we can also maybe do a flag for maybe additional points. So let's get started with it. So, what is our first country we are going to draw for today? Going to be Eswatini. Okay. So Eswatini, I think it's gonna be not that easy, but it's also not gonna be that hard. Oh, hmm. I think this is it. Actually, wait. So no, that's not how you draw a Sirtini. Let me draw it a bit bigger as well. So it's very jaggedy around its sides since the country is a bit mountainous, but it's mainly just it's not like big cities. Well, I think there is a city, the capital city, Mabani. I think that's the capital. I think that's Eswatini. Don't really know. Let's check. Border of Eswatini. Okay. So this is the border as you can see. So for mine, I did mine did kind of go like up. Oh, maybe corrected in red. So mine did kind of go up, but it's supposed to be like more straight, and it does go inside. I did actually put minor details. This is supposed to go out more the edge, and yeah, it's supposed to be straight, but it's supposed to yeah. I got a pretty good start. Um, I guess I got like 0 points. I guess I got 0,5 out of 1. That's my current points. So next, what's our next country? So what is it going to be? Liberia. Okay. So Liberia, I don't think it'll also be too hard for me. Or um, so over here the coast. So Liberia actually has a coast. It's also one of only two countries that actually wasn't really colonized. Fun fact. So Liberia, it's like it's in Western Africa. So the coastline over here, it's not that jaggedy. It's actually like very smooth. In the borders with the neighbors, it's not really like that straight. It's like actual natural borders, like a river. I don't know. No, don't know much about Liberia. I only know the capital is Monrovia. Yeah, so the capital is Monrovia, and the country was formed in like 1848, I think. I don't remember. Somewhere in the 1800s though. Is Moro or Monrovia. So let's see. Yeah. So as you can see, the coast is straight. But over here, up there, it actually goes quite in, and then over here, it kind of looks like like a shark fin or like a dolphin fin over here, as you can see where my mouse cursor is. Then, so it goes very north, goes down, shark or dolphin fin, then it goes not Let's see mine. So mine does go bit up, but there's no shark fin. So it's supposed to go like this. And yeah, I could have actually gotten like points. Let me check more. Oh yeah, this area is supposed to be like straight. Well, not too jaggedy. And I think it's supposed to go like more up. Yeah. So I think I'll give myself 0,25. Well, yeah, 0,25 out of 1. So now we have 0,75 out of 2 points. Okay, so now let's spin more countries. And let's see what's our next country. South Africa, okay. South Africa should be easy since I'm from that country, so I'm familiar with the borders. I draw it a lot. So yeah. So I think this is where I could get the most points here. So South Africa. Let me think. So over here is the Northern Cape. That's not really too jaggedy, but also because South Africa is like a big country, so you don't really see a lot of um you don't really see a lot of details. And then as we go more south, then get to Western Cape, famous for Cape Town and its vineyards. So we're gonna be drawing the Cape over here. Then goes into Eastern Cape, and then Eastern Cape goes into KZN or KwaZulu Natal. Okay. Now the border with Namibia, so it goes down here a bit, then square jaggedy over here. Well, it's a natural border because this is the border of the Orange River. Then it goes straight up. Yes. Okay. Now we drew the border of Botswana. I think it needs to be more longer, the border of Namibia. Then goes up. Okay. Now we do the border of Botswana. And then it goes up to Limpopo where Zimbabwe is over here. Now we must draw the border of Eswatini and Mozambique. Okay. Now we do Lesotho. And then that should be it. I think I should South Africa a bit too much, but hopefully I got it right. So South African border. This should be our second last country we are doing. Um yeah. So this is what it looks like. Ignore all of this, the South African border war. It's a war in the 70s, but oh, we're talking about the South Africa in 2025. So this is the border. So depicted in red. Lesotho. It's not. It's too bit straight. It's supposed to go like this. So it's too thin going north, and then it is supposed to go up like 15. I guess you can make it you a bit smaller. So it's supposed to go more up. Then what else? What else? I just got this right, where it's a very long border, as well as how So this border, I actually got it, right. Maybe I stretched a bit too much. Well, maybe I'm not supposed to add this, but I guess we can count that. And I think the cape is fine, except so this is good, except for this part. You can just cross that out. But other than that, I think I got it good. Except these two, I guess they can be exceptions. So I guess we can make it also, we can also make it 0.75. So now we have 1.4 or 1.40 out of um 3, I think. Yeah, three is our so we're supposed to have 3 points right now if we got this flawlessly, but we have 1.4 points. Anyways, let's see what is our next country. Guess we can make this the final country. So what is it going to be? Madagascar, okay. So Madagascar is the last, but definitely not least country. So Madagascar. So the country is an island country. No, it's definitely, and the country is definitely not named after the movie. I think the movie was also called Madagascar. I don't know. So it's also one of the biggest islands in the world. So this is mine. Since I drew it actually quite fast for the last one, let me actually maybe also draw a flag. And since I know the Madagascar flag from memory. So yeah, it's green no on the in the north part, red south. Excuse me, sneezed. So I think this is the flag or just the colors around. Yeah, this is the Madagascar flag. Okay, let me check. Um, um, Border of Madagascar. So this is what it's supposed to look like. Mm. I didn't know there's like an island off the coast. Two actually that are visible. I mean, I did kind of got this inclined, but I didn't get like the island itself like this. Same as another one over. Well, speaking of which, this is like very juggy. Like this, and there's pieces of land going like inland. So like this, it's, yeah. I did actually got this right. Trying to focus on the small details and how this is going inside. Then the whole island this side, it's not as jaggedy. So, but I guess there's an exception for these bumps. This is just like a because this map I'm showing you is like a simple drawing. It's not like a very detailed one, which I'm trying to do over here. Oh, let me also check the flag of Madagascar. So I guess I can see how much points I get. Madagascar flag. So I did actually get the flag right. So I guess we can make. I guess so. We got four, and we have. So I guess we can have 2.4, 2.4 for the flag. I guess I'll give myself additional points. Then for the country itself, it's actually not much. I guess I can give myself um, I can give myself 7. Yeah. Well, 0.75. Be specific. Now let me calculate my points. So yeah, I got three 3,15 out of 4. So, which is pretty good actually. This is like the highest I've probably gotten. So, anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So, make sure to. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, you can subscribe or you can like my video. And yeah, hopefully you're having a good one. See you next video.